Did you know that jewelry is created by using real magic? First, gently and with feelings, we put the gold ingot into the magic pot. Then we add a ligature for white gold. We also add many of small diamonds. Then we sprinkle the magic powder on top. The central stone. And now the most important ingredients. 2 drops of love, 1 drop of experience, and 1 drop of patience. Now we shake it well. Everything seems to work out. Let's see. Whoa, what a beauty! My beloved will be delighted.